Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel. Today we're going to talk about something that happens to all of us at one point or another. We download a file, we work on a file, we have pictures, we have music, videos, and for some reason one day you go to your favorite folder for that precious file of yours and it's not there. And you have a little moment of panic and think, okay, why is the file not there? Or maybe you downloaded something from the web, or you work on a document, you were kind of distracted, and when you recorded the file, you didn't notice that you were not in your regular documents folder, for example. You were somewhere else. And you go back to documents to get your file, and you're thinking, where is it? I can't find it anymore. This happens really often. Another reason why files can get lost is, for example, you're moving the pointer around on the screen and behold, you've clicked your file and dragged it to a neighboring folder without even noticing. These are things that happen quite often actually, and I do get a lot of people say, okay, I had files on my Mac that I lost. How can I find them? And unfortunately, a lot of people don't have that little, option of going to the search, the spotlight search. And that's one of the best features of Mac OS X or OS X, is the fact that you have that little, just on the upper right side here, you have that little magnifying glass icon. And you click on that, it brings out your spotlight search. And there you just type a few characters of the file. So if you're looking for a certain file, you remember the name you gave to it. Even if it's not the full name, just part of the name is enough. Just start typing about what you're trying to find. So for example, if I'm trying to find one of my lost files of BC files that are special schedules, I just type BC, and behold, in documents it tells me right here lots and lots of BC files right there that I can go and click on, and you find all of these files. It will try and get all of the files that match that criteria. It searches all of your folders including the desktop. So once you've done that, you'll probably see that it finds everything on your computer. And you can, of course, also change the preference in your Spotlight search. If you want to search differently in Spotlight, then there are ways to actually change these options. For example, here in the search, there's little check marks that say all the kind of files that it can find and where it will look for these files. So you can take out or put check marks of the different things. If you find that doing a search with a name, for example, gives you too much search results, well, then you can actually take out some of the little check marks here and simply search for exactly what you want. So that is a really nice feature, and you can of course take out the check marks of whatever you want. If you don't want to search for applications, the less there are check marks, the faster the search results will pop up. So you got to remember that also. It can also search inside text, and that's really cool. That's another cool feature of the Spotlight, is that it actually reads your text files. So for example, if you remember that your lost file, you don't remember the name, but you remember part of the text inside that file, well, Spotlight, just type in the few words that you remember from that text, for example, and it's actually going to tell you which file contains that text. So it's a very powerful search in the Spotlight of Mac, and a lot of people just don't use it. And it's unfortunate because it's actually really, really, really good. So if you lose a file, remember that you always have that little option on the upper right side of your screen. You go and click that little magnifier glass, and just below it you type whatever file you're searching, and it's gonna pop up every file that has that text in it. If you have any comments or questions, let us know. Maybe you have a video that you'd like us to put online about a feature for Mac, PC, iOS, Android, whatever. Let us know. We'll try to pop up that video for you. You'll be helping others at the same time. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe. You'll be informed when new videos are online. And of course, if you have any videos that you like, please give us thumbs up and help us get better rankings on YouTube and on Google. So thanks for watching, and hope you come back to the Easy Computer Fixes channel. Bye bye.